so we get to the finish. No time for the cynics when they're not there with it. This is my moment, I'm in it, I'll waste my time and go with something. Listen, I don't know if you choose not to wish to roll down that tissue and write that down. And I don't know if you are with me, but if you are with me, then we should get busy right now. Let's do a call and response. Gudge, you ready? I'm gonna say something and then Gudge is gonna show you your part. It's like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you guys ready for that? Wait. Are you guys ready? Excellent. All right, let's try it out. 1, 2. Okay. There's a lot of people here. I think we could be way louder than that. Let's try it again. Come on, give it to us. 1, 2. The song back in for us, all right? Can you do it?